We got up super early. It was like 5 a.m. I was absolutely exhausted. But luckily, when we went outside, there were already plenty of birds just chilling on the beach. Great blue heron. Very nice. But even by 6 and 7 a.m., we didn't see any puffins whatsoever. So it was time for Joy to throw out our secret weapon.
Plan, Joy?
I'm gonna flash my sardine shirt, and then the puffins are gonna come and eat it.
Oh yeah, I'm sure that'll work. Joy, I think it's time you used your secret weapon. Bald eagle causing absolute havoc.